What kind of thing you trying to pull right now?
Whoa.
Just are in there. We were stealing like those little fuzzy little animals and things you got for animals, for dogs or cats. There's little toys. We're putting them in our shorts, and that would just I don't know if that was the cocaine or what, but it felt pretty good.
How good did it feel? When you say good, in what sense?
Look, if I told you how good it feels, we'd have to stop this interview and take photographs.
No.
How much longer am I going to be living?
No. Let's retract that.
I love animals. I love any animal that will lick me because they just love it. You know, everybody loves to be licked. And then the other question about the military.
No. Let's retract that.
How much longer am I going to be living?
Tell us about your spirit.